So the audio port is not working. Do you know how audio ports work? What are the different types of audio connectors? What is aux port? Let's find it out in this video. I'm Titan, you are watching Tech ASAP. Let's begin. An auxiliary port is a type of standard communication port on a device that accommodates audio signals for audio devices. Speaking of standard, YouTube knows the standard of video by number of likes. So like this video. From MP3 players to external speakers, from car audio inputs to computers, and even smartphones use aux ports, at least for now. It is also referred as audio jack. It belongs to a family of electrical connectors that carry analog signals. The standard is that a male connector called as plug connects to a female connector called as jack. In 19th century, this connector was invented to be used in telephone switchboards. It is widely used even now. Just like subscribe button can be used to subscribe to Tech ASAP. So what are you waiting for? The aux connector is cylindrical in shape with a grooved tip to retain it in. Then you might ask, Titan, are all aux connectors the same? Not always. Well, there are few differences. Firstly, let's talk about apparent ones. When you see the connector, the first difference is diameter or the size of the connector. The outside diameter of the sleeved connector, standard one, is 6.35 mm. The mini version has a diameter of 3.5 mm and the sub-mini version has 2.5 mm as its diameter. The mini connector has a length of 14 mm. In its original audio configuration, it typically has 2, 3, 4 or occasionally 5 contacts. The 3-contact version is known as TRS connector, where T stands for tip, R stands for ring and S stands for sleeve. The ring contacts are typically the same diameter as the sleeve and the long shank. Similarly, 2, 4 and 5 contact versions are called TS, TRRS and TRR-RS connectors respectively. Then you might ask, Titan, can I use different aux connectors with different aux ports? The simple answer to this is yes. You can connect any aux connector with any aux port except if your device acts weirdly while connected. If you see your device acting weirdly while connected, simply avoid connecting the connector. But don't avoid sharing this video whenever and wherever you can. Thank you for watching.